Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, if you are already a subscriber, welcome back. Thanks for chatting with me. Thanks for the love and the support. I really appreciate it. And today I'm going to show you how to get these sweet, nice, slay press-on nail. Why did I say it like that? But yes. The first thing I did, I put the nails on the stand, which I get a double-sided tape and I put it on the stand. What I'm doing now, I'm just filing off the little point, a little point with that come on the nail. I file it off, and what you want to do, you want to file the nail itself so that the gel polish have something to grab on. So I did that with all of them. Sorry guys for my quality on my video because it is shaking. I will fix that in my next video. I never realized. So I just file on the nail, just file off the, what they would call it now. I'm just filing off the top piece, the shyness of the nails. Guys, it was my first time doing this and it come out so nice. It come out so cute. I like, oh my god, if I continue practice doing it, I will do better. I will get so good on press-on nail. Because if this was my first time and it was so good, I am good. Well, yeah, self-praise is no recommendation. So leave your comment in the comment section of what you think. So now I am using this base coat. I am base coating the nail. I'm using the BEETLES. I hope I pronounced the name good, but I will leave everything in the description, and I bought them on Amazon, and I will also link the link for everything that I'm using. Well, for most of the things I am using that I bought from Amazon. What I don't have the link to, I will leave the name. So now I top coat it and I put it in the nail light for 60 seconds. And then I go ahead and I do the ring finger. You see it is shaking. Sorry. I'm doing the same thing, just taking off the shyness, and I did the point, and now I am top coating it. Guys, I wipe it with some alcohol, rubbing alcohol. So I top coat it. I want to make sure that the top coat is everywhere. That's the nail polish I'm using. So I'm using this nice pink nail polish and I give it 3 coats. What you want to do, you want to make sure that you put the nail polish smooth and nice. And you want to do it to the 2 corners. Guys, that was my mistake. I didn't put too much to the corners. I was like, oh my god, I should have put more to the corner. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. I really need the love. It encourages me to do more video, and if you subscribe, then I'm more encouraged to do more video for you guys, because I really love what I'm doing. But at the same time, I need a little bit of encouragement. Make sure to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified when I drop all these nice videos, because my videos will help you guys so much, because I take time in doing it and I take pride so that it's help. Now I'm using this gold glitter and I'm putting the glitter on the nail. And every time I nail polish, I put it and cure it for 60 seconds. So after I put the glitter, I put the top coat again and I put it to cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm putting on my second coat of the pink nail polish, and then I'm going to put it to cure for 60 seconds. So guys, I buy this off Amazon. These butterfly, they're really nice, but kind of, you have to be careful or you're using them. You have to use them with care. Yeah, but care. So I put it in the water. It is to put in water. When you put it in the water, you're going to take it out and put it on the nails. But now I am doing the third layer of nail polish, and then I'm going to put it to cure for 60 seconds. You see, I didn't do the side there. That's what I was talking about. Okay, now to the ring finger again. We take it out the water. That's how it's supposed to use. You put it in the water and then it come off and then you put it on the nail. They are pretty butterfly. Pretty. And then I have this sticker that say it's beautiful. No, be beautiful. And it get messed up. And I just had to leave it. So now I am putting the top coat. It's a glassy top coat, and I'm going to put it to cure for 60 seconds. Alright, now I take out the nail after giving it a third coat. Now I am putting the top coat and I'm going to put it to cure for 60 seconds. I don't say 60 seconds because in all of them, when I'm curing it, I put it for 60 seconds. Okay, now I buy these little stone from Amazon, and what I'm going to do, I put the glue and I'm just going to put some stone around the ring finger. Just to give it a little design, little design. So guys, I come up with a schedule. My schedule is going to be like on Monday we're going to do nail video, and on Wednesday or Thursday we're going to do ear video. So we're going to have 2 videos per week. Well, I'm trying to keep up with that schedule. So 2 videos per week, 1 nails, 1 hair. So that's the schedule I plan to work with. After I put the stone around it, I put 1 to the front, and then what else? I think I top coat it and then put it to cure for 60 seconds. All of my products I use, I get them off Amazon. The only thing I don't get on Amazon is the double-sided tape. That one was giving me trouble to take off. Yeah, I put the top coat, then I put it to cure for 60 seconds. Okay, now I'm going back to the stone, and I'm just going to put 1 stone on each nail. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put on your notification bell so you can be notified when I drop my videos. Thanks for the love and the support once more. I really appreciate every little bit. So now after I finish and I cure, I just going to wipe it with some rubbing alcohol. So I wipe all 10 nails with some rubbing alcohol. And this is the finished look. So now I'm just going to put it on my finger for you guys to see what I'm doing now. I'm pushing back my cuticle. And then I use a buffer and I buff my nail to prepare it for the nail. Sorry about the shaky. I am going to fix it. So now I'm putting on the nails. I measure it on my finger and put it on. But already I did the size for my finger before I do the nail. So size your finger first before you do the nail. And this press-on nail, I get it from Amazon as well. So I make sure it's fitting. And then I put the glue and I put it on my nail. So on my channel, you will know how to do your hair, you will know how to do your nails, you will know how to do your makeup, you will know how to dress, because yeah, not really, because we people are hot people, but I'm gonna show you a different style of what I did. You know, and you will get a little bit of everything. So subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. So this is me just applying the nails to my finger. I just use the glue and I just put it on. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I put some cuticle oil, well no, I put some coconut oil on my cuticle, because you know your girl don't have the best of hands. And this was it. Nobody can tell me I did go nail tech. Nobody. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. I really appreciate it. I will link everything I use in my description. Have a good day, good night, good afternoon whenever you see this video. Mwah. One love.